So I recently went to IKEA and picked up some Tradfri doodads. So I've got the passive infrared occupancy sensor there, and I've also got some square buttons with two presses on them. I might stitch two videos together. That's $20. It has two CR2032 batteries in it. Battery life unknown, but it does report it via Zigbee. So while they want you to buy the Tradfri gateway, you can instead just buy a Zigbee dongle and use Zigbee to MQTT and Home Assistant and roll your own home automation without having to buy Tradfri bulbs and Tradfri light switches and Tradfri toilets. You can do it all open source style, and since they can't contact the internet because they have no Wi-Fi, it's all relatively secure. So yeah, I'll show the buttons now. And this is the button. It comes with a little mounting plate thingy. It's got a magnet in the back. It's got some screw holes, and it comes with a sticky pad and some other stuff. But I've got this one hooked up to turn the light on and off in here. And also turn on a fan. Yeah, and for $10, like, can't go past that. I don't know how long the battery will last, but probably yonks. And also holding it down is a separate action, so if you want to bind a different event, a different action to a hold event, you can. That's pretty neat. I'd show you the USB dongle, but it's just a black thing with an antenna on it. I'll put a link to where I bought it in the description. Works great. Yeah, so that's home automation stuff. I've got another one. I'm going to hook this one up to send the necessary commands to my home media server and the Chromecast. So pressing that one starts Bluey playing on the living room TV, and pressing that one makes Curious George play on the living room TV. So the kids can have a modicum of control over the TV. Alright, that's it. Bye bye.